you having trouble accessing your OST file? Do you need to convert it to a more usable format? Introducing the MailsGen OST Converter software, the easy and reliable solution for all your OST conversion needs. With the MailsGen OST Converter, you can easily convert your OST files to a variety of file formats, including PST, EML, MSG, MBOX, PDF, HTML, and more. You can also upload your OST files to popular email clients like Office 365, Gmail, Outlook.com, Yahoo, and more. Simply choose the file format you need, and the MailsGen OST Converter will do the rest. You can even choose to save the converted files to a specific location of your choice. The MailsGen OST Converter is fast, efficient, and user-friendly. You can convert large OST files in just a few clicks, and the software will preserve all your data, including emails, contacts, calendars, notes, and more. The software's interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it accessible for users of all levels of technical expertise. And best of all, the MailsGen OST Converter is compatible with all versions of Windows and can be used on both desktops and laptops. So don't let a troublesome OST file hold you back any longer. Try the MailsGen OST Converter today and experience the ease and convenience of hassle-free file conversion. For any queries, contact us.